Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to go through the latest updates for BMNR stocks, also known as Bitmine Technologies. So, Bitmine Technologies is a Ethereum treasury company. They started out as a Bitcoin mining company, but later on pivot into Ethereum treasury company, and it is now headed by Tom Lee of Fundstrat. So Tom Lee is the chairman of Bitmine, and he has been providing us with frequent updates. So far, I've seen weekly updates from Bitmine, and the latest update is that Bitmine BMNR is continue its reign as the first Ethereum treasury in the world, as second largest crypto treasury just behind MSTR. It's also the 20th most liquid stock, trading at $2.8 billion per day on average, and this is some impressive numbers. So yesterday on the 25th of August, Bitmine has updated us that the crypto plus cash holdings right now exceeds $8.8 billion, and Bitmine now has 1.71 million Ethereum tokens. So they are accumulating Ethereum at a very fast speed, much faster than their competitors, including SBAT as well as other treasury companies. So right now, Bitmine crypto NAV per share is now at $39.84 as of August 24th, compared to $22.84 per share on July 27. So as we can see, in almost 1 month's time, the share price has almost doubled, or rather the NAV per share has almost doubled from 22.84 to 39.84. So right now the BMNR stock price is trading at $50.67 at pre-market on the 26th of August. So we can see that the rate of accumulation of Bitmine as well as the growth of the NAV of Bitmine is extremely fast. And again, this is all it is supported by a lot of major institutional investors, including Kerry Wood from ARK, Mosaics, uh, Founders Bill Miller, Pantera, Kraken, so on and so forth. So basically, they are supporting Bitmine's goal of acquiring 5% of Ethereum, something that I have covered in my previous Bitmine video. They are trying to hit the alchemy of 5%, basically acquiring 5% of Ethereum and then staking the Ethereum to get you and, possibly buying even more Ethereum after that. So this is a positive cycle loop, in my opinion, and that's also the reason why I'm so bullish on Bitmine. So as I've mentioned, Bitmine now has a total NAV of 8.82 billion, and if we were to look at the market cap of Bitmine BMNR Technologies right now, it is at $8.6 billion market cap. So the NAV is very close to the market cap right now. And in my opinion, I think the $50 level is also a very good buy level because it's sitting right at the very close to the 20th moving average as indicated by this orange line over here. So this orange line, I've set up some Bollinger Bands. So the 20-day moving average is the center moving average that I use as the reference for these Bollinger Band setups. So I've been accumulating BMNR for the past few days, and I managed to get to almost 300 shares of BMNR, and I'm looking to add even more, hopefully to 500 shares in the mid to in a medium term, 1 to 2 months. But as of now, I'm quite tight in terms of my liquidity, so I'll be really planning it very closely. And even so, I would like to think to have a long-term goal, a long-term target of 1,000 shares of BMNR, given that I really see this stock easily 2 to 3xing. Yeah, but however, that would mean that I have to sell out some of my other positions in my portfolio, and I'm monitoring and looking at which position to sell. So right now, my US stock portfolio consists of Bitmine, SBAT, MSTY, and ULTY. So I'll be monitoring each of these counters very closely to free up some liquidity to rotate into Bitmine possibly. And yeah, this is a stock that I see could easily 2 to 3x. So I'll be really monitoring it very closely. Okay, so I believe there will be a chairman's message coming up real soon from Tom Lee to update the status of Bitmine Immersion Technologies and also what are their steps moving forward. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. And I hope you guys find this video very useful. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video where I'll cover the latest UMAX distributions for MSTY and ULTY. So do stay tuned for that. And remember, as always, everything I shared here is not financial advice. Always exercise your own due diligence and research before engaging the markets. With that, I'll end this off and I'll see you guys in the next video.